We know how important your project, business, or company is to you. That's why we decided to present you a beginner's guide to personal finance with some basic tips to protect and safeguard your finances. Improve your financial capacity and create prosperity for you and your family. Remember that to make your business more efficient, you need to organize your personal finances so that you have the capital you need to reinvest. First of all, it is necessary to define what personal finance means. It simply means the financial management that an individual or family unit needs to budget, save and spend their money over time, taking into account financial risks and risk future events in your life. Drawing up a spending and investment plan based on the income received will undoubtedly create well-being within the family, because the necessary funds can be allocated for each member's needs and for his or her own benefit. Once the concept of personal finances is clear, we present a beginner's guide to personal finances. Set priorities. Priority expenses should be determined and faithfully followed, such as rent, utilities, children's school fees, etc., food, health insurance premiums, etc. These costs should be reflected in your monthly budget as fixed costs. In times of crisis, it is important to make sure that each expense is really worthwhile. Remember that every penny counts. We recommend making a list and smoothing out each month what is important today and suddenly not tomorrow. Identify financial information. This can be accomplished by defining a budget that includes all financial information such as monthly income, additional income, mandatory expenses, and an emergency fund. When it comes to the emergency fund, you must remember that it is an item that cannot be used for other purposes. Be honest with your finances. Avoid small expenses. It is common to make daily expenses that individually seem small, for example buying a candy or soda for lunch every day, so you need to minimize them to keep your personal finances in order. For example, if you estimate that you spend $1 on candy and soda for lunch every day, that equates to $120 per month and $1.00 per year. Create a savings plan, based on each person's monthly income, with defined savings goals, savings rates, and estimated time to reach financial goals. Planning is critical in personal finance. Pay off your debt. Try to pay off your debt in the shortest time possible, putting yourself first, thus reducing interest and additional cash flows. And to that extent, avoid going further into debt because you are just living to pay debts all the time and your income is decreasing. Earn money investments. Do not save money that does not generate you income or investment. Maximize the profitability of your savings and get additional income. To do this, it is worth doing some preliminary research on the investment tools available or even ask for help from a professional in your field. Education comes first. Any investment you make in your academic or spiritual education is never a bad investment because it ensures you gain new knowledge and gives you the tools you need to make the best decisions that will lead to financial growth. We hope these simple steps will help you improve your personal finances.